That was the second launch, Jupiter. Then we're heading off towards Mars. We're stopping at Mars, picking up a little bit of equipment, and then we're heading back towards our own moon and then back to Earth. Whoever finishes this first is definitely the winner.
Sir.
Yes.
What is this?
This is the ship we're traveling in. This is the Trident XJ900. This is a sleek ship that can travel at Mach 10. Most of the time we'll be doing about Mach 8, but if we need to go in a hurry, we'll be doing Mach 10.
But why us?
Because you're the best. Briefing is now over. We're going to see you at the launching pad at 0700 hours tomorrow. Goodbye. In control panel, this is where you're going to be seated. Here, obviously, is our star chart, and this is the main monitor. Over here, we have the engine monitor, you know, so we can keep track of what's happening with the engine, temperature, or speed.
And this is what Chuck would be doing, Private
Hancock is going to be watching this. I'm going to be working over here in the science lab. This is where we're going to be conducting various tests and so on. Back there are our living quarters. Over here are the restrooms and cleaning up quarters, and that's about the ship. You can go about exploring.
Very interesting. I think I'm going to enjoy this.
All right. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Blast off! Did we make it?
Yep. We're going up, up, up. Out of the atmosphere.
Speed is 1,700 miles an hour, increasing. Okay, gentlemen, I think it's safe to take our seatbelts off. Oh, look, I even got my leg weights on. All right, now, anybody for a bite to eat?
Not yet.
Pat?
Yeah.
Something to drink?
Sure.
Let me make you a little something here. An extra energizer. There you go. It's very lightweight. That's why we brought it along.
What was that?
It's very good for you, actually. It's very high in carbohydrates. I think I'll have some myself.
Tastes good.
All right. I think I'm going to call headquarters and see what's happening here on our auxiliary computer. All right, I've made contact with NASA. They say we're right on course. Our first stop is Callisto. We're halfway there. NASA says it'll take us about 2 months to get the rest of the way there. We're moving pretty quickly right now.
Good.
All right, everybody. How about we just start relaxing? It's my shift to drive. Rob, you can go take a rest now, okay?
Thanks. By the way, where's Private Hancock?
I think he's in the back monitoring the engine.
Okay, I'll go check.
Here we are. Am I taking my place?
No problem.
All right, thank you. I got to do a couple of research experiments over here. What is it, Private
You guys,
Chuck?
something's wrong with the engine.
What?
It's overheating.
Oh my gosh.
Fix it.
Now, hurry! What is this? Oh god.
It's gonna blow!
Get
Oh my
down!
god! Ah!
Oh, explosion! What is this?
Shut all systems down now! We're gonna drift.
All systems have now failed.
I'll turn on the auxiliary computer, see what I can get out of it.
Screw pop loose.
The computer's telling me that the auxiliary computer doesn't even have any power. Be careful with that churro. We don't have much power in here. I think we're doomed. Alright, I think this is it. I think we're doomed. Jeez, that was kind of serious. Chuck, do you think we're gonna make it?
I don't know, guys. Pretty tough decision to make.
Wow.
Guys, what happened?
Well, Well, the engine conked out. Where were you? Peeing?
Really?
Don't worry about it.
Well, see, what happened was, we had a serious problem with the engine. It started overheating for some unusual reason. Do you know anything about it?
Oops.
What is it?
I kind of left this on overdrive here. This will work it.
Oh, great.
I feel the power. I think everything's turning on. Let me check the others over the computer, see what's going on.
All systems on.
All right, I think we're back in business. All right, everybody. No time for a break. Everybody get working.
Okay.
Let's get going. Rob, I think it's time for you to check in with the star log.
Where are we starting first?
We're almost at Calypso right now. What does that say right there?
Spaceman.
Okay. Alright, so Chuck, about the explosion, what do you think that was?
I think it was what obviously Rob said. And it was just overheating, like it showed on the...
So we got a little blur, okay? Well, I think we'll be alright. Let me check us up here. I think we look okay.
Yeah.
I think we're back in business.
From regular degree, about 120.
Yeah, we're doing pretty
around
good.
there.
Our speed is about Mach 9, so I think this engine's pretty good. How about you, pilot? What do you think?
We're doing good, and we're about to approach the asteroid belt. So I'd hold on.
Alright, everybody get in
Rough
crash
ride.
positions. Chuck, you better go back to your seat. Alright.
Okay. Here
Ready?
we go. 3, 2, 1.
Veer right! Whoa! I think we lost power. I think we hit one, Rob, did we?
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh, God.
Not much damage. Not much damage.
We're
Hold
gonna
on.
fix this. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Are we
We're almost
through?
out. We're almost out.
Come on, brake.
Okay.
We made it?
Yeah, we got it.
Chuck!
What?
Assess all damages. Check what's wrong. I think we had a blowout. Let me figure out what's happening right now. One of our generators got blasted by one of the asteroids. But other than that, I think we can fix it. Alright, power's back. We're doing okay.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, Rob, so where are we now?
We're about here approaching Callisto.
Alright, that's pretty good. I think that's a starting point of the race. Do we have the Soviet ship on this monitor here?
No, they're too far behind right now.
Oh, so we've actually made pretty good time, alright. Well,
Landing.
I think it's a time to rest. We'll explore this place here now. Can I go
Here you go.
next? Alright. Turn my tank on.
Here, pull your hood up. Got your tank.
Strap, put on the helmet. Alright, I got my weights on, okay? Are these heavy enough for the pretty low gravity level?
Yeah, sure. Bring some flashlights and this ice packet so you can collect some samples.
Yeah, I think I'll collect some ice samples. Well, I'm off to explore the unknown.
Tim, go ahead, Tim.
Rob, beam me up! Oh, that was neat! How
So,
did we do that?
what did you find out?
Well, it's pretty dark out there. I couldn't really tell if they were having it out or not. Let me get this stuff off.
Ow, that's cold.
It's ice. I was going to check it to see what all's in it, see if it's like normal water. After I check it, we can see if we want to bring some of it with us.
Smells like regular water. Nothing funny like hydrogen. Well, I'd go check it, Mr. Scientist.
Well, I'll do a few experiments. Well, let me have the computer analyze it. This is a pretty quick process.
Okay.
Well, looks pretty normal to me. I think we could scoop a big bunch of it up and put it in our tanks and we're set.
Okay. Well, I'll scoop it up right now.
Alright.
Okay. We got enough to last us about a year.
That's pretty good. That's a lot
Okay.
of water.
We'll take now.
Whoa, whoa, buddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. We're heading towards Io.
Alright, how long do you think our flight time till Io will be?
Not very long. Probably 2-3 months.
That's pretty good. I'm kind of getting sick of this ship, you know.
Yeah, it's almost over. Just remember that. It's almost over.
Well, let me go check on the rest of the samples.
Okay. They're getting older.
Private Hancock,
Yes, sir.
I wonder how the fuel was doing.
We're tip top on fuel, full, and the engine's running great.
So, we're okay?
Yep.
Well, get seated. I think we're pretty close to Io.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, how we doing here?
We're just outside the atmosphere of Io. About here, we'll be entering the atmosphere of Io anytime now, so I'd hold on.
Okay, what we're gonna do, I think, is we're gonna stop off Io. We're gonna get in about 3,000 feet up. We're gonna send a non-manned probe down to collect soil and so on. Then we'll get out of here and we'll head off for Mars. Alright?
That sounds good.
Let me finish with my test here. Everybody just do what you're doing. Alright, is everybody ready?
Ready.
Now, when are we gonna land? How long?
Approximately 1 hour.
Alright, where's the captain? Is he back resting?
Yes.
Alright, well, I'll get ready to go.
In Io's atmosphere, we're gonna hover at 3,000 feet and
Yes, sir.
launch the
Do we have any
space
food
pod.
rations left? Plenty, but look what I pulled out of the freezer, dudes.
Approaching Io. Now in Io's atmosphere, we're gonna hover at 3,000 feet and launch the space pod.
Oh, we have lowering space probe. Touchdown.
One year has passed since the space cadets have left Io.
Rob, it's my shift to drive. I'll take over.
Okay,
Alright, where were we? How are we now?
we're approximately here, approaching the asteroid belt. So remember to warn us all when we go to the asteroid belt so we can hang on.
Alright, I think I can take it through there. Thank you.
Okay.
You can go ahead, take some R&R. Captain!
Yes, sir?
We're approaching the asteroid belt. Please go tell Private Hancock and Mr. Rivas over there to hang on. We're going through.
Private Hancock,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rivas,
Yes, sir.
we're going to be going through a little roughness, an asteroid belt, so hold on.
I think I can take us through. I think I found a clearing. Everybody, hold on. Alright, we're in.
Is that a clearing?
Yeah, basically, it's the cleanest spot I can find. We're almost clear, 10 seconds. Whoa. Some power lapses here. Whoa. Alright, we're almost through. Alright, we're through.
Nice job.
Captain, why don't you take over?
Okay.
Alright, now we're outside the asteroid field. I think it'll take us about anywhere from 8 to 10 months to get all the way to Mars.
No problem.
Alright.
Star log. Reaching Mars in 10 minutes.
Tim,
Yes, sir.
come out here.
Alright, sir. Okay, what's happening?
We're reaching Mars in about 10 minutes, so you better hold on, because we're going to have to go through the atmosphere. We're going to pick up some ice and about 4 years of ice.
So the ice is on the top of the North Pole, right?
Yes.
So which pole are we going to be landing on, the north or the south?
I believe the North Pole.
Alright, yeah. And then we're going to be headed over towards the moon. That'll take us 4 years, about.
Yeah.
Well, we're almost done.
How's the food supplies?
It's pretty good.
What about the water supplies?
We're holding up. We can last long enough to get to Mars. That's about it.
Wait, one more thing. Do we have enough air?
Our air, we're doing okay, I think, basically, because we can melt the ice.
Yes.
If it turns into water, and some air does circulate after that. I mean,
It's pretty good.
right, that's it.
It's an alien! Oh my god!
On Mars, we can see the variation of the Arctic climate and the desert climate. We're going closer. Okay, we've got touchdown.
Okay, Chuck. I'm going out exploring and pick up a few samples and decide whether or not we can take the ice. I'll be back within 6 hours.
Yes, sir.
If not, send an explorer patrol out.
Yes, sir. Getting a signal from Lieutenant Rivas.
Beam me up, Chucky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whoa, I'm here. I
Oh,
picked
what you-
these samples up. They're lava rocks. Oh, let me take this stuff off.
Here, I'll take that.
Hold on, it's still hot.
Oh, these are very fine samples.
Well, I think they've cooled down a bit. Here, let me see.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Quite strong vapors.
Maybe we should take them over to the lab.
Yeah, okay. I'll do that right now. Okay, I've analyzed it, and it seems to be a certain type of lava rock that we can use for fuel. So we can just stick it up in our fuel compartment, and it should last us all the way home because there's so much of it. Star log, date, June 3rd, 2001. We've been traveling for over 10 years. We're now approaching Earth's moon. We're approximately 5 months away. Private Hancock.
Yes, sir.
Type up the radar screen for the Soviets.
Yes, sir. Take over. Lieutenant Rivas, they're nowhere in sight. We are way past them.
Expand the view. I'd like to see where they are.
Yes, sir. Here you go, sir.
Okay, we have considerable speed. I think we're gonna win this race. We're approximately 1,000 miles from the moon. We're decreasing speed to Mach 1. Private Hancock, come here quick.
Yes, sir.
Look at the monitor. Look, Private Hancock, it's our moon.
Whoa.
It's good to be so close to home again.
Yeah. Man, I can't wait. Yes, sir.
Come to the front.
The moon's surface seems to be the same since 1969. It is now 2001. The moon's surface seems to be the same since everything is still standing. The flag's still there. It is now 2001. All their equipment is there. Everything is still standing. Fine. The flag's We'll take some samples of lunar soil. All their equipment is there. Everything seems to be fine. We'll take some samples of lunar soil.
Traveling back to Earth, thank goodness. At Mach 10.
We are now traveling at Mach 10 towards Earth, our final destination. Ah, Earth! Finally, after 12 years on that ship, I couldn't have made it another day. The soil, the grass. We are finally home.
Alright. We're home. Party on, dude.
Yeah!